What is really causing your health struggle? Uncover what's really behind your health struggles. From hidden stress, poor nutrition, and hormonal imbalances to lifestyle choices and environmental factors, the root cause matters. Learn what's truly causing issues like fatigue, weight gain, chronic pain, and low energy, from stress to dietary gaps and beyond. Aren't you tired of feeling sluggish, tired, and unhappy with your health? You've tried every diet, exercise routine, and supplement, but nothing seems to work. What if I told you that the key to achieving perfect health lies not in the latest trend or fad, but in understanding what's really holding you back? In this video, we'll dive deep into the underlying factors that are stopping you from reaching your health goals and reveal the surprising truths that will transform your body and mind. Get ready to unlock your full potential and discover the secret to achieving perfect health. Let's dive deep into the hidden factors that might be holding you back from achieving perfect health. Perfect health. It's the ultimate goal for many of us, but somehow it always feels just out of reach. We read about it, we talk about it, we even try to achieve it, but for some reason it remains an elusive dream. We've all been there. We start a new diet, we join a gym, we commit to a healthy lifestyle, but somehow we just can't seem to stick to it. And it's not because we're not trying hard enough or because we don't have the motivation. It's because there are so many barriers standing in our way, barriers that we might not even be aware of. Like what? Well, for starters, there's misinformation. We're constantly bombarded with conflicting views on what's healthy and what's not, and it's hard to know what to believe. Then there's the lack of motivation. Let's face it, making healthy choices can be tough, especially when it comes to giving up our favorite foods or pushing ourselves to exercise. And, of course, there's the ultimate barrier, our busy lifestyles. We're always on the go, always running from one task to another, and making healthy choices often takes a back seat. But even with all these barriers, we still somehow manage to convince ourselves that we're doing everything right. We tell ourselves that we're eating healthy, that we're exercising enough, that we're doing everything we can to achieve perfect health. But the truth is, we're often just scraping the surface. We're not addressing the underlying issues, the psychological and emotional factors that are really holding us back. Like fear of failure, for instance. We're so afraid of not being able to stick to our healthy habits that we give up before we even start. Or negative self-talk. We criticize ourselves for every little slip-up, and before we know it, we're right back where we started. And then there's the biggest obstacle of all, our own mindset. We think that perfect health is something that's out of our reach, that it's only for the lucky few who have the time, the money, and the resources to make healthy choices. But the truth is, perfect health is within our reach, if we're willing to do the work. We need to understand that achieving perfect health is not just about eating the right foods or exercising regularly. It's about addressing the underlying psychological and emotional factors that are holding us back. It's about recognizing our fears, our doubts, and our limitations, and working through them. The key to achieving perfect health is not about finding the latest fad diet or the hottest new exercise trend. It's about understanding and addressing the barriers that are standing in our way. It's about recognizing that we're not alone, that we're all struggling to make healthy choices in a world that's designed to make us sick. It's about taking responsibility for our own health and being willing to do the work to overcome the obstacles that are holding us back. And most importantly, it's about being kind to ourselves, about recognizing that we're human and that we're going to make mistakes along the way. So, what's the takeaway from all of this? It's that achieving perfect health is not impossible, it's just hard. It takes work, it takes dedication, and it takes a willingness to confront the barriers that are holding us back. But if we're willing to do the work, if we're willing to confront our fears and our doubts, then anything is possible. So, what's held you back from achieving perfect health? Have you struggled with misinformation, lack of motivation, or busy lifestyles? Or has it been something deeper, fear of failure, negative self-talk, or a limiting mindset? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on how to overcome these obstacles and achieve the perfect health you deserve. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop any questions or comments below. I'm here to support you on this journey to better health, and I'll see you in the next video.